Do you know how sometimes if you buy your first Apple product, people will jokingly say to you, well, it's all downhill from here. Well, what they mean is that you can't just have one. Apple is the potato chip of computer products. But how would you like to have your customers be so hooked on your product or services that they keep coming back to you over and over again, just like Apple? I'm Jeffrey Shaw, business coach for self-employed business owners, author of the Self-Employed Life book, and host of the Self-Employed Life podcast. And I'm going to let you in on the secret as to why Apple is really as successful as they are. You know, with all that we think about Apple and why they're successful, and maybe it's because of great design, great products, or maybe great marketing, the truth is they succeed because of this idea of a product suite, and you can too. What I mean by a product suite is not just the variety of products, but it's how they are hooked together, which in turn gets your clients hooked on your products or services so they come back over and over again. The iCloud and AirDrop are Apple's main hooks. I'd swear I'm going to be a customer for Apple forever because of AirDrop. It just is so easy to move things from one device to another. But the same can be said true of an integrated home system like Nest. Right? I used to have a Bang & Olufsen stereo system that was integrated with Bang & Olufsen telephones. So if the stereo is playing and the telephone rang, back in the days when you had landlines, you could turn down the volume of the stereo right on the phone. So cool. Now, this seems obvious now, right? This idea of a product suite and how they're hooked together seems obvious now that you think of it, right? But how can you create products or services in your business that are so linked together that the sum is greater than the parts, so linked together that your customers are hooked on doing business with you over and over again, creating amazing customer loyalty? You know, here's another way to look at this that because I know it could be a bit more challenging to imagine how this works for service businesses. But this idea applies to both product and service businesses. Think of it this way. For every problem you solve, you introduce a new problem. And now you have the power to create or expand a product suite by introducing the next product or service to solve that problem. And the next problem, and the next problem. That's a product suite. You know, one of the things I do all day long is I help my clients with brand messaging on their website. I help them create compelling and irresistible brand messaging to attract their ideal customers through brand messaging. But inevitably, the next problem I create is that they need to update their website. Now, I could choose to have website design services, but I don't. But I do have some referrals so I can solve the next problem by passing them on to somebody else. You can also achieve this product suite through customization by having products and services in your business that are one of a kind. In my photography business, I used to have handmade frames that were custom designed or custom finishes that they just simply couldn't get anywhere else. So another way of creating a product suite is by having products and services in your business that can't be replicated. That's another way to create a product suite. The goal here is for you, like Apple, to be the potato chip for your customers, that they don't just want one. That's why they keep coming back to you. That's what creates amazing customer loyalty in your business so that you can leverage the opportunity to do more business with the customers that you already have. This video is one of a series of videos on customer loyalty. So be sure to check out the other videos because collectively, the way these three videos come together, you can create for your business an entire customer loyalty system so that you can get your customers hooked on your products and services to make your life easier so that they just keep coming back to you and you can leverage the opportunity to do more business with the customers you already have. So be sure to check out the other videos as well.